Oh, man. That's something different.
Collaboration with my man right now. Tell me your Instagram profile.
Instagram profile is at Dr. Just Underestimated.
And he just changed his name, right?
Yeah.
Dr. Steven here. So we're down in Texas. We got the best chiropractors down here. A lot of people are familiar with another chiropractor from Texas. There's actually a ton of great chiropractors down in Houston, and Doc here is one of them, also his partner, Tony Tran. So we're going to do a little work here today. So we're going to do some work on each other. If you didn't also know, he's got a second career. You want to tell him a little bit about that?
I'm also a hip-hop musician / rapper. I just dropped my first single that actually got published and distributed on the actual distribution deal with Empire and Soul South. The song is called Good Vibes. I figured in this crazy world right now, we need that type of song.
The good vibes.
We need the good vibes. So yeah, go cop that on iTunes or pretty much every music media platform out there. It's out on there. So.
Good Vibes is the name of the song?
Good Vibes is the name of the song.
And the artist, the way your name is listed on there is?
It is Just Underestimated, so.
That's like a play on your name, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I like it. That's good. Cool. And so everybody hides your daughters. You know, you got somebody who's a rapper and a doctor. I don't even know where to start with that. Cool, man. So we're going to adjust each other. We're going to do some soft tissue work. So let's get started. Cut it. There. Like that.
Nice.
So that creates the downward AC joint spacing. So same thing here. I'd come here. So just finger across the AC just a little further there.
Yeah.
And then you come straight down. So that one didn't meet there.
Nice.
Yeah. You go that way. You can go scapular like that,
yeah.
Obviously.
Right.
You can do that one. So I actually need you to do that one on me in a little bit too.
Gotcha.
Okay. Let's go face down first then, I guess.
Okay.
A penny apiece.
Are we going face down?
Yeah, face down.
Alright.
Hammer time.
Hammer time.
All right. Raise that left leg as high as you can. Okay. And the other side. Okay. Left feel harder?
Mm-hmm.
It's the only time you let another man hammer you from behind, right? Got him!
Oh, shit.
All right. Raise that left leg up again. There you go.
Damn, that's crazy.
Okay. Go again. Try again. Good. Right side.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the same. Do one more. Okay, and good? Nice. Feels better?
Mm-hmm. Whatever you did, that worked, man.
Alright, flip over. I'm gonna have you sit up, face that way. Just look at any direction. So long sit, you're gonna go this way. Mid T-spine here. So big hug. Press it a little tighter. Bring your arms a little tighter. There you go. Very good. Alright, go lay your back. The hand saver. Don't smash your hand.
Well, you're not gonna use the little. No.
The Gucci strap?
I got the straps in my truck if you need.
The Gucci berry strap? Get the chains out for the tires. Bring it right there. How much there? Probably stole all his own cracks before we got here. There it is.
Yes, sir. That's the one.
You still feel stuck on this side or no?
I think that's more just muscle tension.
Yeah. I'm gonna go one low. Let's see if it is. Little baby one. Alright, we'll sit up face that way.
Oh, man. See the stars.
Get that first strip down a little bit. Alright, where's that spot? You're sweating a little bit with these trigger points. Is that on your head?
Mm-hmm.
How often do you guys work on each other around here?
Not
very often, huh?
Nah. So damn busy, we don't even get to see each other sometimes. What up, Dr. Tran? Aha! Oh!
What's up, Dr. Tran?
Dr. Tran is my boy. How is this possible? Why? Why?
Because you're not working with Dr. Tran as often as you need to.
Why? Yo, tell me what's good, Dr. Bell. Tell me what's good. Oh, man.
Tell me something good.
Oh, my goodness.
There we go. See, he's used to being on the other end of this table here.
Yeah.
Tell them where you can find this location.
You can find this on 5402 All Drive.
What part of town?
This is in the southwest of Houston, right off of 59 and Chimney Rock. Integrative Spine and Sports Rehab. 3ws.ispineandsports.com.
Push your head straight back.
That was cool.
Push your head. Look up. Look up. Look up. All the way up. All the way up. A little further. There we go. A little further. Beautiful.
Hey, you got me sweating, Doc. Get my workout in for the day.
Woo! Sweating out last night.
Yeah. Sweating out all that.
Birthday celebration last night? Was that what's going on?
Yeah,
somebody?
yeah.
Is it like this around here? B-Day.
Yeah, gee, I actually met that guy.
Where I'm from, we say B-Day.
Ah, I got you.
In Houston,
Yeah.
there's this thing called a G-Day, which is, I think, short for gangster.
Yeah, something like that.
Yep.
Yeah. Aha!
Could be a musical note, I'm not really sure.
Aha! Oh, yeah, that's that higher octave right there, the G note. Mm-hmm. Yo, happy birthday to Hip.
Also Hop.
Yeah, also Hop. Yeah, shout out to Dr. Dewey Bowie also.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? He's the other OG in the Cairo game. Ha!
Ha! Alright, lay flat on your back.
Okay.
So he's gonna get revenge on me in a second too, by the way. These ankles. Good. This one's not bad. Yeah. Looks good heads. Nice. This one's not bad either.
I don't think I've had that adjusted to me since Cairo school.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's been crazy.
You don't want to get treated.
Yeah.
Go on your side facing this way? I don't either. The dude was in, like, when was the last time a chiro adjusted? I'm like, I don't know, 2-3 years maybe? Because I'm the only chiro in my office. We have neighbor pass and PTs primarily.
I got you.
And they do some manipulating too, but
Yeah.
usually I just fix myself. Yeah, actually, I'm not going to do that one. I think we got you with the hammer on that other one. Alright, looks pretty good there. Alright, sit up and face me. Sassy hip. Pull that one back. That's solid.
Nice.
Can't walk.
Yep.
Baby one. Alright, shake it out. See how you feel.
Loose as a goose.
And I want to hear the first couple bars from that new song.
Crap, how the hell does this song go? No, I gotta do a regular piece. So I'm campaigning, elected, ready to ride, don't hit the switches, never analyzing camouflage, the man in my position, legal substance abuse. They got me feeling this way. I'm not be rooted straight to the bone, but it will let me decay. I'm on the verge of writing scriptures, I'm a road to success. So nevertheless, I press to the rest, I pick the best, no stop at the vet. Top notch, probably gotta let it. Yep, there it is. Just a little song, you know what I'm saying? I forgot what I said afterwards, but yeah.
He just gave you a sneak preview. That shit was free.
Yeah.
Free. Cool. Yeah.
Actually, Bo's got bars.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Delivers not very good. Yeah, I could do at least one verse for sure. I don't think I can do a whole song. But I can do a cameo.
Yeah, once that we'll get
I mean, I would be here for it.
Yeah.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah, I could do that.
Yeah, we'll get on popping. Okay, but alright, Doc, anything bothering you?
Yeah, my left side of my neck's a little bit jammed up.
Yeah.
Lower thoracic spine, and I could always use an SI.
Gotcha. Alright, let's get you on FaceTime real quick. I'm just gonna give you that's the tune up right here. Wait, before I do this, you want me to do like the full range of motion and orthopedic test and all that stuff like that?
Who is you?
Alright, my brother.
Who is you?
Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Alright, relax.
Nice.
Okay. So just do a little combo right here. Nice. Okay, my brother. Let's just get this side up facing me.
That was good.
Straight. This stuff up here. I'm gonna put this one in there. That. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Let's get the other side. Oh, you got the triple B's on.
You know?
I'm gonna do a little case number here. I'm gonna give you a nice little stretch. And that was the last time you got tested.
It's been a minute.
on your back face up.
Yep. Nice.
It is. All right, my man. Sit up real quick for me. I'm gonna get those shoulders.
Who are you? No, who? Sir, I'm your chiropractor.
All right, side back for me.
That was good. I don't need that.
That was nice. I like the sound of that one. Sound like
needed
a
that
pump.
one. Needed that one. Brand new, man. And make sure you go check this man's song out. Check him out on Instagram. And if you're in Houston, come get treated.
Yes, sir. Come through. 5402 Elder Drive. Integrated Spine Sports Rehab. Chilling with my man, Dr. Bo Hightower. The man, New Mexico for chiropractic work.
Already.
And like I said, my single just dropped. Good Vibes, and the album Foreign Sauce will be dropping October 4th. So keep up the support. There it is.
Buy it with your money.